Thank you, Mr. Chairman, Ranking Member DeFazio, Mr. Capuano, for working with us on Title VII of this bill, the Hazardous Materials Transportation Safety Improvement Act of 2015. The title will significantly enhance the safety of moving hazardous materials, which are a critical part of our industrial society. First, we tackle one of the most pressing issues facing the American economy by including language to ensure that the railroads implement positive train control as quickly and as safely as possible.
You mean the other?
Every major freight railroad in America, in addition to Chicago Metra, New York MTA, and Amtrak, have announced they will be forced to shut down operations without an extension to this important PTC mandate. The consequences to the American economy under that scenario would be catastrophic, and it is our duty to make sure it is addressed responsibly. Ultimately, our goal is to make sure we have the safest freight and passenger rail network possible. We've worked in a bipartisan manner with our Senate counterparts to meld their language with ours and believe that this revised language will ensure PTC gets done as quick as possible. Second, this title will significantly strengthen the safety of crude by rail shipments. We go beyond DOT's rule and require all new tank cars carrying flammable liquids to have a thermal blanket. We also require the railroads to create spill response plans. We will also ensure railroads provide states and local emergency responders with information on crude by rail shipments within our states. Improving safety of crude by rail has been one of the top priorities as chairman of this subcommittee, and I'm pleased that we are moving forward on these important provisions. Finally, we also make significant improvements to DOT's hazardous materials safety and grant programs. We streamline the special permits and approval process to give industry more certainty. We also reform an underutilized grant program to help states train more emergency responders and better plan for incidents. This is a good bipartisan title. I believe it will significantly improve the safety of hazardous materials transportation, particularly crude by rail. And again, I want to thank Mr. Capuano and the chair and ranking member for working with us on all of these issues.